All right, so we got Blackbirds and Havoc going on the field right now. So this is pretty much, I believe, the end of the first round, and it's pretty much a race. Yeah, so this is the last round of the first of the games. So it's going to get real interesting afterwards. Finish chrono. I think the second set of games I'm going to try to see them off our actual Facebook page. So,
all the way up there with the link. Yeah. I'm like, what? But like, it's a glider. In the least little bit. Apparently, I've had my phone. It's probably very peaceful.
oh shit! Bloopers.
Yeah, you did. That was good. Very impressive. Yeah, right?
They're just running them.
Ian! Come here, boy.
I don't know where Justin is. He's getting it.
Yeah.
And that's so Havoc got 3 points.
Are you,
A couple of hiccups on that one.
you guys were first game.
So that's the end of the first games. So now we're on to the second games. That's when, like I said, when things start getting interesting. Head over to the Dead Rabbits page. I'm probably going to try to start live streaming there, seeing if I can get more views on the videos over there. So.